So this has got a Christmas motif, gingerbreads, Christmas trees, what's probably a holly present, and then a snowman. These are 6-inch papers, cardstock from Temu. It's light, probably a 28, maybe 30-pound paper. We're doing book folds to start on the surface. The side you want up. This will make for the original mountain folds that you can kind of see here, right? So you get a sense of that. And now we reverse that. We then fold to the corners. We're going to do that for all 4 sides. This does not have to be exactly symmetrical. It helps. The cardstock is easier to fold for the camera in my mind. So I've gotten away from origami paper. Origami paper's gotten pretty expensive for tariffs. Hence why I look at a lot of Temu products now. They're going to take these corners and fold them on downward to that horizontal edge. That's all you're doing right there. In the drawings, that can be complicated or look complicated, but it really is super simple. All right, so there's the other side. Now you're going to take these edges that you just folded and bring them together at the same time to line up on this point. And that gives you a rabbit ear fold. See, pretty simple. Once you get good at it, it goes pretty fast. This was not pre-folded. I typically pre-fold for the camera, but given the new lighting setup, I thought I'd do a few at speed and give you a close-up look of each step. See, we're just repeating that over and over. The new camera setup has a sheet of tempered glass about a 1/4 inch above the light table underneath it. I broke the last light table folding on it, so this raised piece of glass should save the light tables from getting broken. And it gives us, I think, a better light onto the fold. The things I'm working on still include the light ring showing in the reflection. I've got to find a way to diffuse that without losing the brightness. And maybe I can find some matte finish glass that might diffuse it as well. If you have ideas for that, diffusing the light ring in the reflection, you can leave that in the comments. So now we have our folds done. So I'm going to fold it in half down the middle this way. I'm going to repeat that again here again. And so you have this little fold, and you're going to press those sides together, and you start creating this little 3-dimensional ornament. And there you have it.